A strong magnitude 4.8 earthquake occurred in the North Pacific Ocean 354 kilometers, 220 miles from Russia in the early morning of Wednesday, July 23, 2025 at 3:57 a.m. local time, GMT+11. The quake had a very shallow depth of 15 kilometers, 9 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, EMSC after 1 hour and 3 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.